Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a custom schedule in just 15 steps, complete with timestamps and reminders to keep you on track. Let's start by creating a new page and giving it a title that describes your schedule. To add a calendar, just type /calendar, and you'll see the calendar view appear right on your page. You'll want to link this calendar to an existing database, so click the three-dot menu and select which database you'd like to connect it to. When you hover over any day on your calendar, you'll notice a plus icon appears. Go ahead and click that to add a new schedule item. Each item works just like a page in itself, so give it a title and start building out the details of your schedule. One great way to organize your schedule is by adding to-do lists. Just type /to-do to insert a checklist. The @ symbol opens up a menu of additional options, and we'll use it here to add specific times to each task. Type what time you need after the @ symbol, and you'll see timestamp suggestions pop up automatically. Just click the one you want. If you click on any timestamp you've added, a menu will open with additional settings you can customize. This is a perfect opportunity to set a reminder so you won't miss this task when the time comes. Pick when you'd like to be reminded, whether it's at the time of the task, a few minutes before, or even the day before. Just click outside the menu to close it and return to your schedule. Keep going and add as many tasks as you need to fill out your day's agenda. When you're finished adding items, simply click outside the schedule area to save and close it. And there you have it, a fully functional calendar with daily schedules, complete with timestamps and reminders to keep you organized. That wraps up our walkthrough. You now know how to create a custom schedule that fits your workflow perfectly.